I've been talking to hundreds of cleaning and restoration companies over the last 4 weeks about their SEO services through an SEO course that we've been doing, and some of what I found shocked me, but I've been doing this for a long time, so a lot of it was predicted. However, there are things that no cleaning and restoration company should be falling victim to, and there are things that are just easy fixes that all of you should be doing. So I felt like I'd make a quick video and talk about that because this isn't rocket science and it could be costing your business a lot of money. So problem number one, and that is paying too much for SEO services for little to no results. I still hear of stories, even in the last couple of weeks, of guys falling victim to people emailing them, calling them, posting on Facebook. There are people on some of the Facebook groups, guys, that aren't reputable SEO people and reputable Facebook ad and Google ad people. Be very, very careful. Check your references, get a ton of recommendations. I don't know, but don't fall victim to that. If somebody calls you out of the clear blue or contacts you, chances are it's too good to be true. Don't do it, right? The other thing is sometimes they're paying money and nothing's going on. I looked in several different companies' websites and their SEO and saw nothing happening for thousands of dollars spent per month. This is bad stuff. Make sure that whoever you're hiring, you're holding them accountable. You need to see results. Now, granted, keep in mind, SEO can't be guaranteed. I get it, but they should at least be able to show you what they're doing and at least improve something, or at least be honest with you about what can be happening. I've also seen situations where over SEO was going on that was hurting companies. One company had 50,000 links. Now, nowadays, that's not a good thing. That's not what you want. So be very careful about who you're hiring. Number two is there still are on website SEO problems with keywords that are super easy fixes that should be fixed. Like we just talked about, if you hire anybody to do SEO, the very first thing they should be doing is setting the keywords on your website. And that has to do with the title tag, the thing up at the very top, and your H1 header and a description tag. Those things are easy things to be done. That's like the first thing that you do with doing SEO. Now you can learn how to do that yourself, or you can hire somebody for a few $100s and get that done for you. But whatever happens, that has to be done. There's too many companies that I see that were even paying for SEO services that didn't happen. Or maybe they just let it go by the wayside and didn't get it done. Learn how to do it yourself. We talk about how to do that in the Simple SEO course. Or pay somebody a few $100s. Get that stuff done. The other thing that I'm finding out quite often is websites are pretty, but they're being bogged down by either big pictures, really big sliding images, or flash, or something really big bogging it down, or there's too many pictures. Both of those things are a problem. They should be cut down. They should be edited. Sometimes less is more in a website. You don't want to bog your website speed down. You want it to be minimal, especially for mobile. The other thing that I'm finding out is WordPress plugins. Some of you guys have either hired developers or developed a WordPress site yourself, and you've got dozens of plugins inside your WordPress site. This is bad. It's bogging your site down. Sometimes it's even causing problems for the integrity of the site for the SEO. Be careful of that. Don't let that happen. Make sure that you don't have dozens of plugins. Really, not more than 10. Even 10 might be too many, right? Keep that to a minimum. And the last thing that I wanted to talk about, and in some cases I understand this, but in some other cases, be careful about this. Cleaners doing nothing with their SEO. Maybe they hired somebody in the past and got burned. I get it. You're worried. But still, there are things that you should be doing. There are things that every cleaning company, if you have a business, you should be doing. Some of the things that we already talked about. Some of this stuff is super easy. Either learn how to do it yourself or hire it out. At bare minimum, get a Google My Business page. Do some optimization on that page. Set the keywords. Set your area that you're servicing. Set the categories. Post to that Google My Business page. Do something. This is your business. This is now. You can be getting a lot of business or losing a lot of business by taking care of or not taking care of some of this stuff. We're still doing the Simple SEO course. You're more than welcome to join. The link is right below this video. You can learn how to do some of this stuff yourself. I'll show you through some of the handouts, through some of the webinars, walk you through, even answer some of your questions. That's what it's all about. So check out the link below this video if you'd like to learn how to do simple SEO on your cleaning website on your own.